I'm going to talk about these KR Strikeforce men's bowling shoes. I bought these a few months ago. I got sick and tired of paying for shoes at the bowling alley, and more so, I got sick and tired of getting the dingy, dirty, broken shoes that were so uncomfortable. I don't bowl a whole lot. I go a few times a year, but these have been awesome. I've used them a few times so far. They're very comfortable. They're also a really nice fit. They fit true to size. It's been a nice solid fit for me. They got a nice felt on the bottom. There's good padding in the sole. They seem well constructed. They still look pretty new so far. What I also like is that these are going to pay for themselves. You're going to save money on buying rentals. Here's a little bit closer look of the shoe. Here's the side, bottom. I have used these a few times, so they got a little dirty, but not too bad. But overall, they still look awesome. They still feel great. They've been a nice buy for me.